Justice G.D. Khosla was the judge who heard the Nathuram Godse case and sentenced Nathuram Godse to death. After Godse's execution, the judge writes on pages 305-306 in his book, The Murder of Mahatma and Other Cases from a Judge's Diary, that, in the court, Godse had given his statement in the form of a 5-hour-long statement, which was of 90 pages, and after speaking continuously for 5 hours, when Godse stopped speaking, then all the listeners were stunned and distraught. There was a deep silence. When they stopped speaking, the women had tears in their eyes, and the men were also coughing and looking for handkerchiefs. I have no doubt that if a jury of people present in the court that day had been formed and asked to give a verdict on Godse, they would have declared Godse innocent by an overwhelming majority. After listening to Godse's statement, I did not want to give him the death penalty, but I was constrained by the pressure of the government and the administration. I know that because of the sin I have committed by hanging Godse, a terrible punishment awaits me in Yamraj's house. I had hanged an innocent and great patriot, for which God will never forgive me. All the followers of Sanatan Dharma must know about the great achievements and black deeds of the Congresses towards the Sanatans in India. Who says that the Congress has not done anything in the last 65 years? It has done a lot of work, but only for its Muslim brethren. For example, Pakistan was created only for Muslims. Bangladesh was created only for Muslims. Article 370 imposed in Kashmir, only for Muslims, created a minority bill, for Muslims only. The Muslim Personal Law Board was created for Muslims only, created the Ministry of Minorities for Muslims only. The Waqf Board was created only for Muslims, created a minority university for Muslims only. Hindustan was divided on religious grounds for Muslims only. Places of Worship Act for Muslims. A law was made to grab the offerings of Hindu temples, Muslims to run madrasas, Hajj pilgrimage subsidy made for Muslims. The Anti-Communal Violence Bill was introduced in Parliament for Muslims, but thanks to the BJP, this bill was not allowed to be passed in Parliament. If this bill had been passed, it would have taken only 10 years to eliminate Hindus. If anyone has even the slightest doubt about this, then you can go to Google and search and read. The preparation was to make the country a silent Islamic nation. The congressmen and the Hindus had to be made to hold the rattle of reservation, so that the Hindu society would always be divided and fight among themselves, and would never understand the Islamization conspiracy by Ghazwa-e-Hind. Congress brought the Hindu Code Bill to make Hindus second-class citizens, that too for Muslims only. Sometimes I feel like not posting this article. Then the thought comes that India will read, only then India will climb on the chest of traitors. Jai Jai Siya Ram.